Question 15 is asking you to justify, that is to give reasons for. Why would they do it? How will it help? Give reasons, justify. The use of caffeine supplementation, that means having extra caffeine, more than just your 1 cup of coffee a day, either by having lots of cups of coffee or more likely tablets, caffeine tablets like NoDoz or something like that. And I've said use sporting examples. So we know that caffeine has got kind of two things going on. So I'd be thinking about two halves here. We know firstly that caffeine supplementation reduces perceived exertion, and it also has a slight pain reduction effect, which is the same thing. So an athlete is, I don't know, running along, they're doing a marathon or something like that, and their legs are hurting and their lungs are burning and they feel like they want to stop. The effect of caffeine is to reduce that perceived exertion just slightly. So you're still working just as hard, but you don't quite feel like you're working just as hard. A bit of a pain reduction thing. And so you can decide how you want to use that, what sort of sporting examples that you want to use there. There'll be a nice definition in your workbook. Now, the second part of things, I think we wrote it down originally as an increase in information processing ability or an increase in information processing speed. So caffeine at different doses, and you'll look at the graph, is able to speed up things like decision making, things like the divisibility of your attention, like paying attention to what's happening in your peripheral vision. It will slightly speed up your reaction time. So your challenge then is to find some sporting examples where paying attention to lots of different things and having a fast reaction time will be of benefit. So after you've done your explanation, for example, a sports person in this sport will benefit from increased reaction time and improved attention because Okay, so I've said sporting examples. It's enough if you use one example up here and one example down here. You don't have to use multiple examples for each. It's just 3 marks.